Busy, but this shit has been going on for over 6 months, and I'm tired of thoughts coming over just to trip acid, then asking to use my face whenever they want to
suck dick. Damn, Doofus, what is it every time you come up to the valley? That's all you seem to ever talk about.
Busy, I'm pretty sure that's all you would talk about too if every time you saw a thought she tried to use your face, that way she could suck on some little sausage and swallow some children.
Well, Doofus, I guess you stated your case. Well, like I said, when are you gonna head back? You know, Harold's gonna lose his mind if he knows you're gone.
I didn't have to start missing for that junkie bitch to lose his mind. That fool was on a 4-day acid trip calling me Dino saying let's go get Barney.
The Flintstones Was a Timeless classic. It's one of the Queen's favorites. We always watch it back at the colony every other Tuesday.
It wouldn't be so bad, Busy, but the damn Barney he's referring to is a giant purple dinosaur that runs around and plays with 7-year-olds. Hey guys, have you happened to see Lenny? I've been looking all over for him. He just came back from a halfway house in Alabama 2 days ago, and now it seems that he's run off.
Oh, Patrick, last time I seen Lenny, he was trying to find some Molly in Starlight. And hell, that had to at least been 6 months ago.
Well, thanks anyways, guys. I appreciate it. What the hell you doing out here, Doofus? Shouldn't you be digesting Gerber models? Oh, Patrick, that's probably what Lenny's out there doing for some Opanas. You would never stoop so low, you take that back. Besides, I don't have time to be dealing with you squares. I've got to go find him before he goes looking for a Blockbuster to rent Old Girl Gone Wild videos. Hey, Dino. Hey, Dino, man. It's time to come get your food. Dino, you lost in that cornfield again, Dino?
Doofus, I told you Harold would be getting all worried about you. The only thing you gotta worry about now is just getting used to be calling Dino. What even put that in his head anyway?
The only one's dropping acid. Like I said, this junkie bitch been on a 4-day acid binge. And at the same time, Cartoon Network put a 4-day marathon up of the fucking Flintstones. Honestly, Busy, I'm not too mad or upset about being called Dino. I've had an unlimited supply of Cocoa Pebbles and Fruity Pebbles. Hey guys, you can't happen to help me find any Percocets, can you?
I got some not too long ago from Big Ben for this little thought, but you just got out of the halfway house and Patrick is looking for you. I can't help you, you little junkie bitch.
Y'all look and listen close. Patrick isn't my dad. Does he look green and scaly to you? Honestly, Lenny, I just thought that was from all the heroin and the Rotsies that you've done over all these years. Oh yeah, I've been looking for you, Doofus. Could I use that stupid face of yours to promote my Backpage ad? I'll catch up with you guys later. See you, Busy. I'd rather suck dick and get Fruity Pebbles instead of just sucking dick and getting fruity. Yes, there you are. I've been looking for you. One of the Slut Buckets wants to use your face. I'll give you some Cheerios afterwards. We're out of Fruity Pebbles.